my name is Denny and welcome back fellas to my den. Hope you doing fine. So today I will be showing you how we can make our own free professional grade logo for our brand or YouTube channel or for any other purpose whatsoever. So to make your logo, first open your browser and type designer.gravit.io. Once the website loads, write 750 for width and 750 for height and then click on create. So now your canvas is ready. Go to the left hand side and click on libraries next to layers. There you will find many shapes, illustrations and icons. To select your logo icon, you can even type a specific word in the search bar to search for it. Once you have selected your icon, drag it or simply click on it and it will directly appear on your canvas. Now you can even reshape, crop or make even minute changes to your icons, including changing the color of your icon. Once you have completed making all the necessary changes to your icon, click on the T or text option to add the text for your logo. Drag and create a text box to add text. Write down the logo text and make all required changes, including changing the text size, text font, color, alignment, opacity and even text effect, but for this part I won't go deep into effects. Also you can change the complete background color of your canvas, but I won't do that as I don't want background. So once you are done making changes to your text, select both the icon and the text and resize and align them if required and click on the group option located on the top. So now your logo is finally ready. If you don't have any further changes to make, simply go to the top right corner of the page and click on export button. Here select canvas. You can even change your format, but for this video we'll keep it as PNG. Select the size as per your requirement. I have selected 1x and background. Click on Retina display if you want to. Once done, click on export and your logo should start downloading. Click on the downloaded image and here is your final logo. So easy and simple. Make sure to download your design by clicking on File option and Download File on the website in case you have to make any changes to your logo in future. That's it for today guys. Please like and share the video if it was helpful to you. It helps me a lot. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification icon so that you don't miss on any of my new uploads as I post my new videos regularly. Please feel free to comment down in the comments section about feedback for this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and as I always say, never stop learning. Peace.